Hey, what's going on? I usually don't do these, but today I have an unboxing of a new RE20 broadcast mic. I'm so excited it just came in, so I thought I would do a little, I don't know, product reveal, product open, box opening, whatever you want to call, okay? So, all right, let's get to it. So here it is. It just came in the mail today. I'm opening it up. Alright, let's take a look here at what we got. We got a case. It's the Electro Voice 20. Alright, and let's see. It comes in this nice case. Move that over some here. What else is in here? Alright, we've got a thread adapter here. Alright, well, that comes with that. Let's see if we got some packaging information here. So we'll go ahead and put this down over here. Alright, so now let's open up this bad boy here. I'm so excited about this. I've been looking for a new microphone because I currently don't have one to do all my stuff at my editing station here. So, alright, so we're gonna open this thing up. Oh, look at that! It looks beautiful. Okay, so let's see, I'm going to pull it out. Wow, okay, so here it is, the Electro Voice RE20. So first off, it is nice and heavy. Like, it's definitely metal, and it is strong. Like, it is heavy. The build looks fantastic. This is a dynamic, a cardioid mic. And if you look on the front here, where is it at? Right here, it's got a high pass as well as standard. So I'm excited it comes with this. Now I have ordered the I have ordered a shock mount to go with it, but they're out of stock. So I'm going to be getting that in soon. But anyways, I'm really super excited. I think I'm going to mount something over here so where it can come and live, and then I'll hook it up to, so my Apollo Twin has two hookups. One of them, you see the one back there, the XLR is going to my booth back here, and then this will kind of sit over here or so, something like this. I'm really excited. This is really a nice feeling mic. Yeah, so anyways, and this is kind of where it lives, right in here. The case is really nice, real strong case, and I'm really super excited about it. So I'm gonna hook it up here and we're gonna see how it sounds. All right, cool, let's do it. All right, so as you see, I've kind of got the start of the hookup here with my arm. You know, it probably would be better back there. I could move that over maybe. But because the reason why I'm putting it right here right now is I just want to test it out, because I'm going to have a different, I ordered the Rode stand, the Rode arm, that's like, it's bigger than this, and this one's like a cheap $15 one, and the one I ordered was like a $100 one, but they were out of stock, so they won't be back in for about 10 days is when it'll be delivered. So I just wanted to get this hooked up here to try it out, because it's going to go right into the audio box there. Alright, so I'm going to be hooking in my XLR cord to the back here, like so. Kind of doing this with one hand while I'm holding this. All right, and then I'm gonna hook this into the back there. I just wanted to kind of show you guys that. Really super excited about it. It is pretty darn awesome, I think. So I've got it set up now, and this is me using it, testing it out. Crazy thing is, in my room now, we've got the air going. I'm not in my treated space. I've got a couple of things up that I have, but I'm not anywhere like my booth, which is right across from me. So I just wanted to give a test about this is how it sounds with the mic. All right, so this is without the microphone. This is what it sounds like. I was just looking down, checking my levels here. So this is what it sounds like. This is what I have been recording on with no mic. Because again, remember, all my setup is in my booth, so you know I had nothing out here. So all my podcasts and everything, I had to stand up in the booth and everything, and then come out here and edit them.
Okay, so this is back with the microphone again, and now if you notice, I don't have a pop filter on it yet. I haven't tried to see what it sounds like if I get up close. I know there's supposed to be like a pop filter built in, but I'm definitely going to get one as well because I know this one is more sensitive than its younger brother. So, but anyways, this is with the mic again, and I'm liking how it sounds so far. I think it's incredible what it is in this untreated space and how well it sounds. Well, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I know it was a little kind of different with the camera because I was on my phone, but I'm super excited to be using my new mic. And if you have any questions, please let me know. This is the Electro Voice RE20. All right, thank you guys. Bye-bye.